morning, Ms. Westry. Thank you for your inquiry in the Nissan Altima. I want to thank you for choosing us here at Tameron Hyundai. My name is Kevin Smith. I want to show you some things about this Altima that you're going to love. If you come in a little closer, you'll see that this Altima is in black. It's a pretty black, pretty paint job here. Chrome accents on the bumper there, the front end. You have LED lights, you have fog lights. I want you to take a look down the side. You have great tires on here for good traction, great tread on those tires there. Let's take a look on the inside real quick for you here. It does come equipped with charcoal black cloth interior here, steering wheel, full controls here for your radio, volume, cruise control. You even have Bluetooth here as well. It is power windows, doors, and locks here. Also in the middle here, you do have a Clarion aftermarket CD player with a big screen on it here. There is a CD player as well. And this Altima does come with some great air. Frigid air. When I say frigid, I mean ice cold right there. That's what you need for this place here in Alabama. So let's take a step back outside for me here, Miss Westry. Once again, this car here is here for won't be here for long. I need you to get down here as soon as possible. You can find us here on 1591 Montgomery Highway, right across the street from the big Wells Fargo bank. And you can reach me here at my at the office at 205-380-6250, or contact me on my cell at any time, 205-540-3113. Ms. Westry, thank you again for your inquiry. And here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.